Hi guys, I hope you're all well. So you may have seen some of my recent videos of me making these sort of little, well, it's like a little diorama for a single miniature. Generally you'd obviously use this for like a boss figure. And yeah, I really loved how this came out. And I kind of said at the time that I really want to make more of these, as I have recently purchased quite a few sort of single figures. I got them all from Chaos Cards, guys. There's a link down below. Go click on that and you can get a discount using my discount code. So yes, I want to make up lots of these little bases to go with obviously all the miniatures I've recently brought. And well, as you know, obviously I use 3D printers. And I'm very fortunate that I've been sent several different types, ranging from obviously small base plates like this one to larger ones like this. And as I say, I want to print off loads and loads of these little single diorama bases. And while these two are good, yeah, this one is miles better. This one's huge. It's really, you really need to see this in sort of real life, guys, because this is just huge. It's heavy, it's chunky. It kind of sounds like I'm explaining myself there, really. So yeah, so these other ones, I can sort of get one sort of those bases out in one go. But there's obviously this big bad boy, I'm going to be able to get lots out. So this belongs to the Sonic Mega 8K by Phrozen. And as you can see, it's a beaut. Lovely design, love the look of it. Obviously orange sort of sheets of glass in the front there, which I love because, well, orange is my favourite colour. And yeah, front opening doors. I have to admit, I do love it when the doors open up rather than sort of like having to take a plastic sheet off the top. So yeah, so obviously the build plate is big. This vat is, well, just as big. And yeah, it took one of these 1 litre bottles, no problem at all. And in fact, I did actually put another half of the other one in just to really fill it out. So say this is where obviously the big difference in the build plate. I can get 6 of these bases in one go, whereas those sort of build plates I showed at the beginning, the very small one, obviously just the one. The next one I can just about get 2 in, but yeah, this 6 at once is just insane. I say, especially as I obviously want to print out loads of these because I have got lots of miniatures, and yeah, doing 6 at once is just, well, just amazing. So yeah, simply put it on a USB, pop it in the machine, push a couple of buttons, away she goes. Obviously I do have the doors shut for this when it is working, but yeah, it came out perfectly. And again, guys, I know I can't stress this enough, this build plate is just mega. So yeah, so whether you want to print off, obviously like I'm doing, loads of bits at once, or this thing is that big that you could print off, well, you can print off a face mask on this. There's a link down below, guys, to where you can get this. Obviously, say this is a Phrozen Sonic Mega 8K, a beaut of a machine. The only sort of, well, not really a downside, but this comes with this little scraper. And when I say little scraper, it is kind of a little scraper. Yeah, you think, because it's got such a big build plate, they'd expect you to build, well, bigger things. So yeah, this little scraper I was having issues with, mainly because they say it was a bit small, very flexible, and yeah, it's kind of flat at the end. Whereas this other one that I normally use, it's a bit wider. It's got like I don't know, it's a beveled, chamfered. It's got it's a bit sharper at the end, which makes obviously slicing things off so much easier. And as you can see, yeah, they come off a treat. And then yeah, say big build plate. So just give it a little wipe down afterwards, and then it's ready to go to print off more. Which, to be honest, is kind of what I did. I possibly went a bit too mad. Just because I could print off so many at once, I kind of, yeah, I printed off loads and loads of these. And yeah, guys, as I did go a bit mad printing loads of these, I am going to sell these on eBay. Just because I do have quite a lot of boss sort of miniatures to paint up. And yeah, showcase in these little display things. But I have, yeah, I didn't know when to stop. I kind of got a bit carried away with the size of the build plate, and the fact I could do 6 at once rather than just doing 1 here, 1 there. So yeah, I went mad and I printed loads, and I'm going to show you some of the ones I've done here. Basically I printed that many off that I couldn't even get them all on my desk to kind of show you. So yeah, there's a variety here. I've got like the cathedral looking one, and then I've got obviously the sort of spaceship looking one. So yeah, 2 different varieties. These are all on 40mm bases, guys, as that's generally the sort of the size of the bosses that I've brought. And yeah, that's kind of why I went for these. So as you can see, there's a few that have been painted up. These will be sold unpainted, and then obviously you can just paint them, well, however you want really. So if you're after a large printer, guys, yeah, go check out the Sonic Mega 8K by Phrozen, link down below. Yeah, you certainly won't be disappointed with the size of this, the build quality, and yeah, the excellent results that come out from it. I also want to say a big thank you to all my patrons and Chaos Cards and the Colour Forge for helping support the channel. It really does mean so much to me, guys. There's another video on the screen. Give that a click, see more of what I do. And if you can, like, share, subscribe, leave comments, all that good stuff. And I'll see you next one. Bye for now.